learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for a talk about Hakka on ICRT.
聽眾朋友大家好，我係邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine. And today, I think we're going to go ahead and have Leo teach us another proverb. Because through this, we learn about the culture, we teach you vocabulary, and learn some lessons in life. 我们一次呢，就是要把这个客家文化教出去，客家的单字、客语单字教出去，以及人生大道理。
错噶。
谚语时间。
对，谚语真是融合了客家的很多老祖先的智慧。
是的，今天什么样的智慧呢？
所以今天要教大家的这句话，我先押一拜就是Kim that tell lie, me you kill.
Kim that tell lie, me you kill. 这样听起来对吗？
我再讲一次。
好。
Kim that tell lie, me you kill.
Kim that tell lie, me you kill.
对，
这样子啊，
知道什么意思吗？
跳来有点到头来那种感觉，对不对？
就是
解释一下。
Kim 就是一个动作，就是按的动作，按压的动作。
Kim means to push or to press。
对。好 ，Kim 的 tail 就是按住头，然后咪就是尾巴嘛。咪又翘，尾巴又翘起来了啦。
是有头有尾的东西耶。
对。
Okay, so we got some heads and some tails going on in this proverb, and it literally means when you press your head down, your tail will tilt. 这是怎么样？我们人又没有尾巴，这是在比喻动物怎么样吗？
其实这句话它没有指任何东西，它是指这件事情。当你按住一边的时候，另外一边呢就会失控。
了解。
有点像顾此失彼的意思。
Okay, so kind of like a seesaw, 有点跷跷板的那种
对
理论在里面了Why don't we hear the explanation entirely in English?
When the head bows down, the tail will rise up.People nowadays are too busy with work and life. With situations like this, sometimes they can't take care of everything at the same time. This causes chaos and careless mistakes. This Hakka proverb implies that life is like a seesaw at a playground. If you put all of your weight or attention on one end, you'll end up neglecting the other end, and you can't fix it so easily. In other words, keep a balanced life.And you can deal with everything with ease.
And Leo, let's have you repeat the proverb again. 我们来重复这次今天教的谚语。
好 ，Kim that tell lie, me you kill.
Kim that tell lie, me you kill. Okay, 头就是
tail,
and then 尾巴
me.
Those are heads and tail for your information. And that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么Hakka？
俺只sei张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.